Aurora got me this gift, and I'm just gonna pull this out so I could show you guys. Here it is. Look at this. Where's the instructions? Here they are. And let's see, how do I do it? And we have a lot of bowls. What we're going to do is we're going to make like a unicorn or a donut. You could see it right here. There's like some things that you can make, like those and those and those. Let's start. We're gonna put this powdered sugar in. Kind of soft. Then we're gonna get some soap. I'm trying to do it, and it got a little messy, but it's okay. Let's get some more soap. We need a lot of soap. Let's screw the top back in. If you have this present, then you could do the same thing. We're gonna make a donut. That's the color orange. Now let's put the pink in. That should be enough. Of stirring. Look at it. So we made this. It's getting like a little mixed up. Now it's all mixed up. We're gonna do a unicorn. So we need pink. Now that it's all mixed up, let's put some more glue. I mean soap. This is almost out. 2 more bowls to go. Here's yellow, and here's the bowl that we had. Cut this bag, cut. Here we go. Here's the yellow that it turned out good. So let's put that to the side. And we're gonna do this bowl. Now we're making green. Yep. Now we're back and we're gonna make some things. We're gonna start with orange. And here's some little paper over here. Okay, let's get a little bit. Get Lilly. See what I'm making? Donut. Then we're gonna start with the pink. And we don't need a lot. Okay, we made our donut. We're going to get some sprinkles on it. My hands are not glittery. Now that I made my donut, we're gonna make some pizza. Little yellow pizza. Roll it into a ball and smash it. Roll it into a ball and smash it. Roll it into a ball and smash it. See our pizza? Look. So we're back where we started. Okay, let's make some more. This time we're gonna make a unicorn. So let's just add yellow on the unicorn. So we made it, and we're gonna smash, 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 smash. Then we're gonna make the eyelashes. Roll, roll, roll. Oh. I had to have blue, not purple. Ah. 2, 3, okay. Now we gotta make more of it. So let's have a long big line. We made the hair. Now we're gonna stick on it. We made the pink. Now let's make the orange. Now we're gonna have yellow. So we got yellow. Now let's get some green. Let's just make our little teeny nose. We have green. Now let's have blue. Blue is kind of hard, but I really like it because it's so dark. This is the STEAM team with Lily and me. We're back now. I decided to make a few more while Mommy steams it. Go look. So we cooked our soap things. So this guy turned good, and it's a little puffed up. And this one's like a smiley face that I made. And the unicorn turned out really good. Well, it's a little cracked up. This is cracked up because my mom left it out too much, but it turned out like a little good. This is squishy soap, and watch it smush. Ah. Thanks for watching the STEAM team with Lily and me. Bye. John, stop! I'm doing a show. I'm not playing. Mommy! What? He's like cried in the video! Okay. Stop, Winter. Get out of here, okay? I just have a cat. Winter has a tail. Do you know cats have tails?